Hello fams, you are welcome back again to my channel. Here is a quick tutorial on how I made this beautiful African print earrings, also known as Ankara earrings. It is a very simple DIY. Guess what? This was what I rocked on my birthday, and I also made it on that day. Like, it just took me about say 8 minutes to 10 minutes to make these beautiful earrings. So if this sounds like what you love to learn, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. The materials needed for this tutorial are my fabric, scissors, plastic plate cover, needle, my earring hooks, and my round objects. So I made use of my baby's water bottle and a smaller cover, and of course my glue. So that glue you are seeing there is a paper glue, but along the line I had to switch to fabric glue. First of all, the size of your hoop earrings totally depends on you. For me, I didn't want it to be too big. So what I did was to place the water bottle on this plastic cover, as you can see me do, to get the external um, diameter of the circle. Now it's looking like mathematics. Yeah. So when I did this, I also use the remaining space to mark out another circumference of a circle. I made use of a needle. You can use any sharp object of your choice. And when I was done doing that, I grabbed the second circular object to also draw a circular shape inside the first shape I marked. I really don't know how to explain this, but I know you understand what I'm trying to say. So first I use the bigger one to draw a bigger circle. Then I use this cover to draw the smaller circle, and I will just be cutting it out along that mark. I know you may not really see the mark, but if you really pay attention to it, you might probably see it. When I was done cutting out the two circles, I went ahead to give it a good trimming because it has to really be round for it to be beautiful. In order to get that hoop shape, there is need for you to cut out the inner part of this circle. Hope that makes sense. So what I did was just to cut in about half an inch around the circumference of the circle. I then went ahead to get my strips of fabric. You can actually use any length or any width of fabric, but for me, I felt this was too wide. I then went ahead to fold it into two to further divide it into two. When I was done, I folded the strip into two on the right side. I then gave it a very good press. But if you don't want to iron it, you can as well use it like that. It's still very okay. This is what it looks like after ironing. So I will just grab my glue, although this glue was not really doing justice to this stuff, but then I managed it. So you just put glue on one end of the strip and you start, flipping it over the hoop. You keep doing it till you get to the end of the hoop. Okay. So when I got to the end of the hoop, I just join the two ends together this way. You may want to trim out excess fabric just as you see me do. Then you just put the two ends together this way and you wrap it. That's just it. This glue was not doing justice to this DIY. After all, it's a paper glue. So I then went ahead to get my fabric glue so that I could secure it even better. When I was done doing the first one, I repeated the same process to get the second one. This is how this looks for now. So I then went ahead to grab my pin and I made a hole as you see me do. If you watch carefully, I am making this hole on that part where I sealed up. Okay. So when I was done creating the hole, I grabbed my earring hook. I expanded the, is it the eye now? I expanded it so that I could pass it through the hole I made on the hoop. Very simple. So when I just did it, I closed it back with my plier. And the earring hoop is ready. So it's really, really easy. If you're looking at something that is stylish, that will go with your outfit, especially your native wears, then you can easily create these earrings and you can determine how big or how small you want it to be. It's that easy. In fact, you can achieve this within 10 to 15 minutes. So if you are looking for a way to make your dressing even more stylish, you could create something with your leftover fabrics. When I was done doing the first one, I repeated the same process for the second one. If you have watched this video to this point and you haven't given it a like yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. See you all in my next tutorial. Bye.